8 Bedroom Organization Ideas for 2023. It makes sense that you should aim for a smart room design. Whether you are a student in a small bedroom in college, a bachelor in an apartment, or a family with a large house, you want to consider a smart approach to your home design. This not only helps to make things easily accessible but also helps to make proper use of the available space. And when it comes to organizing spaces like the living room, kitchen, and bedroom, you want to make sure that you think carefully before you proceed. Bedroom Organization Ideas: the best way to organize a room. You have all the freedom to get creative when organizing your home, and this helps to take the pressure out of getting it right. 1. Get out clutter and clean. Except you are furnishing a new apartment, chances are that you already have items in your room. And if you examine your space further, I bet you can point out a few things that you no longer need in your bedroom. This could be an old picture frame, old curtains, bed sheets, pillows, lamps, and any other thing that has been around for a while. Taking the time to deal with clutter first when organizing your space helps you better define how you wish to go about setting up the area. You also want to use a cloth to wipe the dust off surfaces and ensure you clean light bulb switches and the top of the door and window frames. You will also need to tidy up your closet and bed, and make sure that you touch all the tight spaces. This includes under the bed, inside drawers, behind wardrobes, and your AC or heater radiator. 2. Organize your bedroom storage spaces. Once you are done with decluttering and cleaning, the next is to get started with organizing the storage spaces. This includes all the places where you keep your clothes, bags, shoes, and all your clothing essentials and belongings. Like with organizing kitchen cabinets, you will need to sort your clothing in your closet and cabinets. Makeup and cosmetics can fit into drawers, and you can even find a good use for your bedside drawers and nightstands. 3. Make more storage space. If you need more space in your room for storing clothing, bedding, pillowcases, or even bags, you can find that there are ways you can make it happen. Under bed storage boxes, you can find storage boxes that fit perfectly under your bed that can help to store your shoes, seasonal clothes, and other special gear. Racks: this can help with adding more storage options for hanging clothes in a small bedroom. Floating wall shelves: these can equally work in creating more storage space on bedroom walls for decorations. Behind door storage, you can find bedroom organizers that make it possible for you to store items behind your door. This could help with storing shoes, bags, and any other items that you can fit behind a door. You could equally find that you can make more space in a small room if you rearrange the bed and any other movable furniture in the space. It could also help to take out unnecessary furniture that can fit into other parts of the house. This includes bookcases and cabinets that you can do without in the bedroom. 4. Use wall arts to define your spark. Your wall can serve as a storyboard for your type of art. And if you are big on decorations, we'll find many options that will work well to organize your bedroom wall. This could be your favorite quotes or pictures of your all-time celebrity or hero. And if you like houseplants, we'll find many that will work in your indoor space. Many indoor hanging plants such as spider grass and citronella do an excellent job of natural pest control, helping to keep your space insect-free. 5. Use drawers to keep jewelry safe. Drawers help you make the most of organizing your storage space. And when it comes to storing jewelry in the bedroom, you want to leave it in a dedicated drawer in your room. While they can help you sort your cosmetics and sewing materials, they can also keep your watches, rings, necklaces, and similar items dry and safe. You can use drawer organizers to section your drawer so you can easily find anything you need in there. 6. Define your lighting schemes. You need proper lighting to relax better indoors. And since you are free to organize your bedroom as you wish, you get to be flexible with the lighting schemes. Expert advice that you choose a lighting scheme that matches your mood. And you can choose a flexible lighting scheme that makes it easy for you to pick lighting that matches your mood. Whether you are looking to use adjustable lights, ceiling, wall, floor lamps, table, or bed lamps, you can be sure of finding one that works for your bedroom design. And if you are looking to introduce new lighting features, you may want to consider oversized lamps. You can make use of oversized bedside lamps to bring out the accent in a small bedroom space. Wall hanging, bedside: a double wall hanging lights at the bedside could help lighten up the sleeping area. Semi-flush ceiling lights: these are lighting fixtures that hang from the ceiling with only a small gap between the ceiling and the light fixture. These options work in a small bedroom where you need bright lights when it gets dark. 7. Use wood to connect with nature. If you have the option of adding new features when organizing your bedroom, you want to consider items made from wood. And if you are looking to make your bedroom your #1 relaxation spot, will need to ensure that you make the connection. You can do this by introducing wood art design or using pine cone diffusers to improve air quality. There are many ways you can add wood to your bedroom design to help with organization. Wood cloth racks can make it easy to hang clothes in a small bedroom. Wood column shelves, you can use column shelves made from wood to hang your shoes in your room. Wood bedside table, oak wood bedside tables can surely add more natural appeal to your sleeping area. Cane baskets, you can make use of cane baskets to hold plants or use them as laundry/storage baskets in your bedroom. 8. Ensure natural ventilation. You need to make sure there is a free flow of air into your bedroom. So you want to make sure that there is no cupboard blocking the window. And if you are struggling with getting air in your room, want to consider installing an air conditioner. You can also find ceiling and floor fans that can work in a small bedroom space. Make sure to choose one that matches your interior design and doesn't throw off your bedroom organization. There you have it, 8 tips on how to organize your bedroom for a modern look. Feel free to visit our website to learn more about how to clean and organize your home at www.mygermfreehome.com.